Just call me Jack, let's go up a hill. Jill. That's right, you see, I like Jill. She's not scared of me. Now, John Edwards. Oh, he's a flaming liberal. She's a tease. Look at her over here blowing me kisses. Yeah, I like you, Jill. You know you don't need to be scared of me. I mean, I'm just a fiscal conservative. What do you say, Jill? You and I hop a plane to Buenos Aires. Yeah, I'm paying, that's right. And then I'll show you my stimulus package. Yeah. To Jill, yes, I mean you. How about we disappear from view? We'll fabricate a tale, the Appalachian Trail, like all the girls